Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the front brake pads and the discs on this Nissan Note. This particular model is 2010 and the engine size is 1.6. So just gonna start the procedure. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to push the pistons back. So we're going to use this tool here to push the pistons back. Just going to slide it in here. So when you push the piston back, make sure that you remove the brake fluid reservoir cap off so that all the pressure gets released, and it's going to make the job a lot easier. Right, here we go friends, that's the piston fully pushed back. So we're going to use a 13mm socket to undo these two bolts to release the caliper. Also what we're going to do is we're going to use this 15mm spanner to lock the guide pin from spinning. Right, so we're going to leave the bolt there till we undo the bottom one. There we go, that's the caliper out of the way. So you're just going to rest it on the side like this. Next we're going to pull the guide pins out. Next what we're going to do is we're going to undo the clamp. So before we remove the clamp, what we're going to do is we're going to clean the surface here and here. Right, so next we're going to undo these two bolts here. So we're going to use a 17mm socket to undo these two bolts. Just gonna undo the top one now. Just gonna show you the pads. There we go. So that's the inner pad, fully down to the bare metal, and this is the outer, again completely worn out. There we go. Just gonna undo the bottom one. Always best to turn the steering outwards so that you can gain access to the bolts at the back. Right, so next we're going to remove the disc. So in order to remove the disc, we're going to use a T40 bit to undo this bolt here, and that's going to allow the disc to come off. So on the automatic cars, the best thing is to put the car in parking mode so that the disc doesn't spin, and on the manual ones you can put the car in a gear to stop the wheel from spinning when you are removing this bolt here. Here we go. So that's the old pitted worn out disc removed. So next we're going to do is we're going to clean the area with the wire brush. So slide the disc on like this. Just going to drive in the locking bolt which locks the disc in place. There you go, that's it now. Right, so before we fit the caliper clamp back on, we're going to clean the surface with wire brush. Then this side. There we go. Right, so just going to bring in the clamp here. 2 17mm bolts. There we go. And the bottom one. So we're gonna use the torque wrench to do the final torque. There we go. So that's the bottom bolt fully torqued up. So just gonna scale the top one now. There we go. Just gonna clean the guide pins before we insert them back into the clamp. Right, so we're gonna use silicone grease to grease up the pins, and also we're gonna apply grease inside here, inside the tube. Perfect. And then same here, just a little bit silicone grease inside the tube here, and then a little bit here onto the guide pin itself. Perfect. Right, here comes the brake pads. So before we fit the brake pads, we're going to apply copper grease on the edges here, both sides, just a little bit, and then we're going to slide them in this manner. Okay, so that's the inner brake pad nicely been seated in. Then it's the outer brake pad. Again, just a little bit copper grease on each end of the brake pad. This is to stop it from squeaking. Right, here comes the caliper. Just gonna slide it in this manner. Just gonna make sure that the rubber gaiters on the guide pins are fully on. Perfect. Next is the 13mm bolts. I use the spanner to lock the pin from spinning. There we go. That's the bottom bolt fully secured. Now we're gonna secure the top one. Again, we're gonna lock the guide pin with 15mm socket. That's the top bolt fully secured. Right, here we go friends, that's the new brake pads and the discs nicely been replaced on this Nissan Note. I hope you find my videos helpful. Thank you very much for watching the video.